Bastards is already banging on window. That one right there, MALYCK. This is what happens when there is a lack of enforcement or selective enforcement, as my charge is made, of these constant, unsupervised children, juvenile delinquents, many of which, MALYCK, Christian, are under 6 years old and should not even be allowed outside without supervision. And TPI management refuses to enforce the constant abuse and harassment and intimidation, i.e. Operation Whiplash, that it goes on out here every single night and day, and have refused to do anything about it. We are talking over 1,500 incidences on video. Now refute that, TPI management.